Good morning, walkers, and welcome back to Budapest. It is about almost noon, actually, a little bit before. I'm going to take you on a tour of Nyugati train station, and it's the western train station, one of the three primary ones in Budapest. I just love the architecture of it. I think it's really cool, and that's why we're going to take a short tour of that. It's about 53 degrees out Fahrenheit, 13 degrees Celsius. Beautiful sunny day, mid-December. And if you like this video and these videos, please subscribe, click the like button, leave us a comment telling us what you like, what you don't like, any mistakes we've made. Love hearing that, love getting feedback. With that, let's start. This is sort of a transportation hub. There's a metro station below ground. There's couple tram lines coming through here, buses, etc., as well as several coffee shops, and one of the most ornate McDonald's I've ever seen. I'm not really a big user of McDonald's, but I love this building. It was built in, or opened in 1877 by the Eifel company. Eifel being the builder of the Eiffel Tower in Paris as well. I keep forgetting to look up the style of architecture that is around here, but it's really, it's like something out of a movie. It's really cool. I love it. It needs a little bit of upkeep, I think, and a little bit of a, what do you call it? Rejuvenation, maybe? We're going to do a circle around here. You definitely want to keep an awareness of your wallet around here. Crowds and travelers make for tasty pickings. We're on Therese Karut, which I think is Teresa Boulevard in English. But I'll show you later, but there's a mall next here. It's sort of a big square, the Nyugati Train. I'm just going to go over here to show you a different view. Side view of it. If you come into Budapest from Austria, chances are you're going to come into Kaliti station, which is further west of here. No, east of here. Man, I get turned around in the city. Let's try that again. actually south of here. We are in the city of Pest as opposed to Buda, which is on the other side of the river. See what I mean about this McDonald's being fancy. Do a little walk through here. Part of its interior is being renovated up here. There are also luggage lockers here if you need them. I don't know how much they cost. Ticket counters. Here are the luggage lockers in here. Looks like they are modernizing it a little bit, which is cool. Hopefully they'll keep the bones of it all. The national train system here is called MAV or MAV. They do have a website in English if you are looking to buy tickets, and typically it will be cheaper than the tickets you can get off of Austrian OBB over Bayern something. think I mentioned this is going to be a short one, but we're not done yet. We've got another few minutes here, because I'm going to go out and show you the other side and the mall. We're not going to walk in the mall, but show you the square out here, which is pretty cool. Pretty ornate. This is the square, and this is one of the, I think it's the Grand Boulevard that goes through here. You can see some of these ornate buildings curved around here. If you go out in that direction, you go to the Margaret's or the Margaret's Bridge over the Danube. If you go down that way, you end up by Elisabether Ter, or Elizabeth Square, and St. Ispan, or St. Stephen's. But what I really want to show you is this outside of this building is fantastic, especially in this light. It's wonderful. Here's the entrance also down to the subway, metro. We're going to go down here and I'll show you this other appended depot. But I just love the ironwork and the roof line, the glass. This is West End Mall or West Point Mall, depending on if you believe Google or the sign on the outside. I think Google calls it West Point, they call it West End. That was a little, if you're looking up stores, I bought some boots from Decathlon online and picked them up in the store and was looking for West End, and I could only find West Point or on the Google, but it all worked out. I'm sure you're relieved to hear. You can tell there are more modern trains on this depot. One of the benefits of, or the perks of West End, West Point Mall, is that they have an English language movie theater, or a theater that shows English language films. And since my boys love Star Wars, and Star Wars is coming out here in a week, we get to watch it. Go down here, this platform. So often when you're buying tickets on the website, you won't be able to print them out or put them on your phone. You have to go to a pickup machine here at one of the stations. Turn it around here. Okay, as I said, short video today of this one, this particular Nyugati, Nyugati. There's probably some accent marks in there, and I can't remember the name for train station. It starts with a P. Anyway, it's just a beautiful, beautiful old building. I really enjoy walking past it every day or so. Like the hustle and bustle around here, and I really do hope they continue to upgrade and rejuvenate it and restore it. It really is a ornate, beautiful building. Thanks so much. Give us a like, thumbs up, all that stuff. Please leave us a comment. I do read the comments. I try to respond to them all. I don't always get to them within one day, but I do try to do that. And it's useful. Give us feedback, what you like, what you don't like, what we missed, what we got wrong, what we got right. How are you using these? I do appreciate that information, and it helps me make these better for everybody, hopefully, or for the majority. So I appreciate that. Get out there, do some walking, or get on your treadmill, do some walking or exploring. And in the meantime, happy walking. Cheers.